Okay, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to make hand sanitizer, and you always have it easy, quick, and you can add any kind of fragrance in there if you like. So what you need is some rubbing alcohol. This is 70%. Here's one, 99%. So on this one you gotta be careful of putting too much in it. It'll dry out your hands. We got the aloe, or you can use the aloe gel, aloe vera, and I have the fragrance is Egyptian musk. You gotta try this. This stuff smells good. Alright, let's get started. Okay guys, I got my cup, got my tape measure, and then I'm going to try to, I'm only making enough for one bottle, small bottle. So here we have it. I'm going to go ½ inch. So there's your half, there's 1 inch, and then there's 1.5 inch, because this is pretty big container. You want two parts of alcohol. So that's 1 at the line, 2. Okay, I got 2 parts of rubbing alcohol and 1 part of aloe vera. It's enough to make enough for the world. There, 1 part. Okay, and then I have my Egyptian musk, and I'm going to add probably a couple of drops of that in there. That's good enough right there. Stuff smells good. Here we are. 2 parts of alcohol, 1 part of aloe vera, all natural. And let me mix it. Here we are, and a drop of Egyptian musk. And I'm going to mix it up. Let's try a little bit. See how that feels. Oh man, it's nice and soft. And it smells good. I just kill everything on my hand. So I'm going to put it in the bottle. I got this empty soap bottle that I cleaned out, and here you have it. Easy 1, 2, 3 step process. This is only if you don't have access to soap and water. So hand sanitizer is always good to have with you. So make your own, take that challenge. Alright guys, you guys watch me make the hand sanitizer, and it works real good because I feel like all the germs on my hands gone. Guys, if you guys like it, leave a comment down below. Good or bad, I'll take it. If you guys are looking for the items, check out my link down below, and I already did the research for you. All you guys do is link on it and just purchase it. Alright guys, if you guys like my video today, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, and that will help me out. Alright guys, stay safe out of harm's way, and keep watching YouTube. R. Matthews, I'm out of here.